Tivesto murunji twakutanjera wasiba kurunji eshaha neza gacencwire shaha ibiri z'ikiro kandi rizuba n'izuba ry'urwa gatano ebiro mukaga by'ukwezi kwa kashatu umwaka ogw'2026 makuru agacencwire tugakuretera butunu hokurga kashozi boma aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara kandi agutwakurundanira izoberi orukwijaga kusyaho Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian oworumo rw'obonero konka tagaga kuretira ombwijire reka tubanze tukoreke bikuru ebyija bgebembire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Register Wine, the taste that lasts. Ne kurwa Siga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga.
Blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros for mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of
Magacencwire kireki abamajani beterire nduro muri government okutaho mu butekereza n'uburyo muri Garati Growers Company umuru Bushenyi. Muzeyi Kanyarwanda uwashimiseho mukuru w'ihanga yazikwa umuri Kizoba Bushenyi. Ukwetebekanize kiro cy'abakazi abari kuvuga boda boda na nukubija babasize kubisaho amakagabo umurekabare
nkaronde mirimo yamburira
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Register Wine, the taste that lasts. Ne kurwa Siga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga.
Blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros for mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of
Kare ntongera kutanjera omakuru gita gacencwire kandi orukuzaga kusyaho nde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian oworumi orwo bonero abahinje b'amajani omucange cya Bushenyi beterire nduru bakushaba government okurugayo ekabirukanjera omukwimusya estongore cyabo cy'amajani omu district ya Bushenyi.
Abahinji b'amajana barkwegitoro muri Garati Growers Company beterire nduru barakushaba government kuba yamba bagwisize factory yabo hamwe no kubanyageza amajani.
Kubeji company tiyomwe ni ka cooperative so abo kuba atwireho ebintu bingi ebikubaho factory yitu ubushumambuzi ukashashurwa mabanja mingi n'ibindi ebikuretera embera ya business yitu yagaruka hasi
tukasanga factory yitu kucumbagira kubona twine finance discipline buri manager nakuru kuyayenda wa finance na bamukosa kuba kwenda nubiya kwasomera gutabo byo kunkosanga board ne mu influencinga abakwica kuyashika makozi imbere yaguma ne kora mpora
Enchiko zona batwire nubazikora ha factory ya Camuhunga konka kwabireho buticerizana na bamwe habebembezi ba factory nuko ruciko rukurutwara Bushenyi
hinja bo kubanza sente zabo n'abahinja bo kusupplying abakoreta amajana gabo abo basyemyeze mukaga batakushashura abakabiri n'abakozi abagasa amajani abo basyemyeze n'abatakushashura abakashatu n'abenku abakoreta enku zo komesa amajani abo basyemi almost emyeze 8 abo batakushashura abakana n'abaga transporting abakagiho mfirde bakagareta factory abo bari mu myeze mwenda nabo batakushashura
n'abana bitabaryo makabashita mabamfire school fees na zaroni akasente kamajyana bayire akasingling kine kikachi akona abantu bamushanga jibaliziko mbombe
rukiiko rwebembirwe RDC wa Bushenyi hamwe n'urukurre by'amajyano mu ihanga ryona kandi ababorekero kuteganisa ubwo mu factor ko baturire bakora heriye biragiro ebero kutegeka amajyani
kandi twataha nacyo twagira ngo twenda kurwana na factory ahabo kuba twenda ko rumbutekano mburinganiza kuri factory yabo mwene zinchiko zruho akataho azo koti injection na porte che kone ko kandi urki enaka factory yitweji netega kuba ine enchiko na board erukora
ishongane ya leadership ishongane ya AGM ishongane y'ubuyobozi bango shirune abiti bagenda mu kinari barakana kama barahanga ibintu bizakora address the question of leadership through the economies of AGM, then the rest of the issues of fertilizer, power, fueling, all that will follow.
abarwetabere mu borekere n'ekindi kizubu cyabamwe abaresere dini n'enganda niko kushaba gavumenti okutaha mu nshongeji gasha kwa Ben Moz
webare Ben Moz twakomeza n'amakuru muzeyi Kanyarwanda George omumo bashomise mukuru wihanga ayishomere rya Chamate Primary School rero kushangu mu district ya Ntungamo yazikwera izuba umurici izuba mu district ya Bushenyi ugu yagambwaho ahabo kutungura ibyo bwegese na no kuba muhabuza umurunji ahabyo byo butegeke
abakwaya tse kubwana gode aha muryango
muzeyi George Kanyarwanda n'enzarwa ya Nyariyango mu Kararo umugomboro ya Kizobo mu district ya Bushenyi kandi yasimwabwe byakoze mu butumwa bwa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ubwashomo umuhwezo wa speaker w'ishengero rya Uganda Thomas Tayebwa wabari yo muzici mukuru w'ubwajwekire President
abana amenya nabishukuru ayambuwe na mamengeri nibemerani umushara no shaka umugenzi kandi ubwo umugenzi akashomeza abantu bingi bamani abarimu umwami ubafire bonarebo eri akateganya ubu umwanya gwawe ushabero hanga abija kwe teine ahata rwija kurira ishara yawe urwano kurunji nabura basima treti nabana wajira bamutayira bamushembeza bamutomuteka ureyangu ahatiye kutwarwa yabatuyo muteka bwe ngo rwiceza wena
omukazi w'umugenzi yagamba amushije nko biratine nshonga yona umubushere bwabo bw'imyaka mingi bamazira umunsi
unda yantora numba mbishibingi nenda kumusima ndina bugarte nenda kusima okuyandesere akandebera nanye nkamurembera mwene omushiija wanje ogu kuyarwire nahurira nashasha. We have lost a parent, a loving parent. Omushiija bena akunda buri muntu wena omunkodezi hamwe abaana bingi abiyashomise owabaija akamujata na buri wenshi ajimuhereza.
Muzeeyi Agashasha yagira endwara y'omunda konka ekyo kitarigaho ky'amaani yaguma naaraguza.
oyihireho kuba mushomesa muzeyi Kanyarwanda kagaragaya yibemberaho ne gombora ya Kizoba nkowe gombora ninga sub county chief kandi yagaragaya abana chairman wa RC yakashata habwe gombora ni yemwe hagati ya rukumo rwenda 86 na rukumo rwenda 9
akakora ibintu by'amani kuyabire chairman kuyabire we gombora omurubumbire chairman gombora ya Kizoba yahabura abahanzi ba Kizoba n'abahumbire okugire byenzunguka yakisomani yakisazandunde yakugeza kwebikira.
ubwo humurira myaka 9 nayo bukuru kandi ayisirwe ndwara yo munda hamwe
kare ago namakuru go busasi kandi umugenzi mukama amuhereze icyumuro cyurunji nko muringo gumwe ugo kutungura iby'amagara na no kurwana sendwara ministry y'iby'amagara ekwatanise na n'istongore cha UNICEF bahira bashabo bebyaro bete ba VHTs ebahire ebikwato ebirumuna n'amasumu aga smartphones mu district ya Kigegwa ebikwate ebi bigenderero kwera bashahaba okwayo amakuru agakwasira handwara nangutireho na nokushomesa abantu mbyara
abashaho bebyara barakumanyonka VHD z'urukume bishatu hatano n'abanakurugombyaro rukaga nkaga na mushanjo kwetorora district ya Kigegwa nabo baganyirwa mu ntekatekeji aba babandize kutendekwe biri 12 nuko kubaha amasomo ga smartphones okubahweraho
kandi bakozese gasemerire ngegere mu tracking dokujya kutubihaga ngo uri kabweza kandi ngori bukene bora magano ukora bajya kuboleka ndere mu kuteka mu ebintu ne kuoleka munango uri kabweza hairwaro no dokujya kutubiha ibyo turungije simwe
simu njya kugikozesa ubo kubogenzire mu kurambura abantu abanyakuhaga mu kyaro cyaitu tubayaho information oba hali abarwaire kurambura abakazi benda kubondereza abakazi abakugemesa abana
Ronald Mugabi omushomesa w'yamagara bwa district ya Kigegwa hijira bashawaba okwata kurunja masamaga
berabura no reporting na police yes agokuba bora rugambwa VHT no gitugarura property ya government aba property ya government okaleka kukora mu government no genda nayo
ababonjire babahe bitabo byo kushomesezamo za boots zo kutambuza ombwire bw'enjura hamwe n'ebindi
mazire wiki ebiro 12 turi kwega umushomo gu training twegire oku turakora abantu becyaro kubaganda bakararo mbutimba bwensiri bakagira latrini bakagira ekiyungu nakatandaro
norora hano nubakoleka ngo abantu nyakubasomesa ingere bakuteka akatimba akitabo nogenda no basomesa norora no somesa ingeri umwana ukoraki akomba
ahubwo kugira ngo government inentekateka yo kutandika kujanja bendwara zitari zimwe na zimwe harurengo rw'ibyaro ababonjire babahana za box ezo kubika mu mabazi
nisima government habwe bikoze so biyampereza ahubwo kubana nintegana munonga
ugenze kutinda
bwene hati naza kugenda nkorera abantu banje obuhereza bwaza kuzahihi
kitoba VHT tubendushango buzibu okushanga wazo mu cyaro umuntu yakubuza ngo hatuka miliyoni mutuhandika akamutine boxes z'imibazi icyo kibire kijye kizibu cyongate cyo twaza kukimara
eyongiye yagura obusandu bw'emibazi otatangiyo kuri otatamsahani government neja kugura emibazi orede nkozire ode yaba VHTs bone
entekatekejo bwa hatariyo mu district sishatu kwetorora Uganda ezumusironko manafwa hamwe na Kigegwa ahansi ya ministry y'amagare kwatanise n'ekitongore cha UNICEF amakoraga gashakwa Philip Marangira
webare Philip Murangira ubwe turukwirira okujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi ekiro kubaho b'umunana byo kwezi kwa kashatu buri mwaka abakazi nabakora imirimo y'amano mu maka erume byo buhinji oburisa obushubuzi nangwa n'intunguka yihanga konkeri izuba twakuretera umukazi uri kuvuga boda boda okushabaza abantu mu district ya Kabare
Precious Musimento Senior Enforcement Officer habwa Kabare Municipality yashobora kwa rukusibo mutaona nakozere imirimo ya kanso omwabazi yakaza kuvuga boda boda hamwe na tukutuku
Gwene emirimo y'abasare y'abashije turakira gukora hariho kushanga none utaguma mu murimo gumwe ati ndasiba mu tawuni ndi gukora imirimo ya enforcement naye nkahinduka mu mwazo wate boda nze kuvuga nona tukutuku
ogu yatushobora kwara kugoba umurimo gwo kuvuga boda boda ariko ihamwe sente zari kumuyamba kushashurira abana befizi hamwe n'emirimo endije yo muka
umurimo gwa boda ndashanga ndaganyirwamo kuronda sente za rent z'ekibina na school fees y'abana umurimo gwa boda bacara tigwine shonga
ubwo nagira ngo ahubwo kumara ubwire buringwa ari kutura n'abandi bari kuvuga boda boda bashija ubwo hata bakamanyirana
ato umurimo gwa boda n'abantu abasigazi ba boda mwene nito tukejoininga nabo twaba nk'abashija mwene akitaro kushanga baratwawura ngo guno mukazi bishibiki twena tukaba nka family
kandi nk'abashabaza bakwija kushanga tuba kubarabanishamu ninga bakutema nk'abashija munonga bakabasiga
baratubaransinga mwene na stage kiraja twaturi ha stage wisha ngano no kugenda morayini
Birungi Grace nawe uri umukazi kandi urukora umurimo gwo kubija yashobora imirimo y'emikono kwetine kuba netoranwa ngo guno mushija ninga no mukazi
umurimo gw'emikono gwena kiguretaga mushija ningo mukazi washanga umurimo gweno wasa gukora yine mikono buri murimo gweno shemeye kubura gukora nko mu cyaro abacyanyo nanda bahigangu mujumbire imirimo y'emikono obani kubija obani cye imirimo y'emikono kanyiri akuba nyonda reba higunyire nambaga ndi gukora abashara abagenzi banje baranda bo baranshekerera baransheje ko kanyonda reba hine kinjizire ki ekitungiremo
ogu yatushobora ko ibitabo bye byabirebera bice kandi hatariho sente zo kumonjera yo nukwe kushara mu kushomo kubija
ebitabo tinyine bingi nkega nayega of course fees zirazira kwata muzitangui nabona n'amaresine yakana kuna amazire yakana naza cyaro narebe mbera zitabonera nasharamu naza kuronda umurimo nabona go kubanza nakora mu mashini nakora mu ndakora nka manager wa mashini kunkanda joininga n'abandi bakozi ha mashini porampora nabona nabibasa na joininga carpentry section nayo nareba najikora hata indagamba nayenge umwe mu babiji
okona yatugera ngo nibafuna umuzibo muri ba customer bamwe bari kugira ngo tubara kubasa kubakora murimo eibar kwenda
obuzibo oburimu ba customer nibija wamwakira nka customer ukamuza ati customer nkuyambe ki nakureba takwetegereza akurebe umurimo atari wo shemerire akwereke ngo araza kweta umushije hari yamara kweta umushije ashwa mujenguro korebo riya ni waramanyisho renda so ndikurarimo kusomozerwa kwa mana
ogu yatushobora ngo cyamgemeserize kuzomurimo gugwo kubija karonde mermeir bar kutekateka ngo ne yabakazi yabura nukwe kuzomukubija
icamparize koro murimo wabashija kandi byo mukazi nkaronde mirimo yamburira kuna amazire nasharamo najanti kanje yininge kapentran joinale ubundi nkabasa kushanga ico nabasa kubasa kuna kijiremo nakikora nareba nakibasa cyabasa kutwara mu misho
Uganda ne gita hamahanga gando munsi yo no kujaguza cyo cy'abakazi burubero munana byo kwezi kwa kashatu kandi government kice zizoberi okureba ngo abakazi batunge midisher kwingana ingano mbyo bwegese obwebembezi emermo hamwe n'intunguka amakoraga gashakwa Nelson ahimbisubwe
webare Nelson ahimbisubwe cyo cy'abakazi ncija kujaguzubwa ahizoberi ya Sande ebiro munana byo kwezi kwa kashatu kandi mikoro yihanga neja korerwa ahacishayi kororo omuri Kampala murebu witu wa TV Murungi ni nkusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare no kutorana kureba TV West studio makuru agacenshwire konka twaza kubanza tumure ukacintu tugarukana makuru agande
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
agarukurataho abantu 210 batendecerwa kurinda no kurwana sendwara umururu kunjiri
namuntu gukora n'isongo cyo byamagana
Are you in panic?
or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumiseze shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Dio ni shara cake tukazakunyumba.
Na wampenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekere nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beje bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate y'obunasi nursing certificate y'obuzalisa midwifery diploma y'obunasi extension diploma y'obuzalisa extension itende cyori handiswe mu bwijire omu ministry y'obwegesi nemizano kangire na center number okuruga mu Unimap itende cyero ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batende kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratungo buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwa beje kushoma kurunji abeje barashoma certificate barashasha sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 ikumineo excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Otwiro inechetengo chokushoma bunasi obuzalisa Everin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzalisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kure ni kugenda umisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju 8 mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Everin Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi abo bashota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozisa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabwo basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbire muri basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gwona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na van yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Ekiro kikureki yetungire Altar Wine ya St. Peters. St. Peters Altar Wine ekozirwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesibwa mu maramizo. St. Peters Altar Wine neyo mutindo murungi kandi ekozirwe ahabwawe nanye. St. Peters Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka gono mu ihanga ryona. Okumanya berukiraho tera note mushange 2 mukaga note ina 5 narishi note mushange 2 mukaga mushange 5 ina emwe.
Reka nkwanjurira Ibanda Secondary School n'ishomero ry'abojo erukushangwa Kagongo Division Ibanda Municipality rirya hamusingwe Kerezia kandi ryebemberwa abanyadini aba Brothers of Christian Instruction nitwebembezo kutina ruhanga okubaje kwa beji ebyo bwegese ni class ya higuru kandi ombye mzano tino rukutwingana nitsima abazire abeji abegesa nabebembezi bishomereri abokora kurunje bigezo ebyihanga buri mwaka
okwika ha rurengo rw'ihanga ombiye mizano nka football, volleyball, chess na basketball kandi bakayikana ha rurengo rwa East Africa ombya debate nitsima old boys ahabo kukunda no kuhagira ishomero bakatwombekere cyayi cyo murembe kandi ntubakira habo ibyemzano yabo eri kuza kuhendera ishomere birabiro na kimwe kwa kasha 2026 turiyo ntitebekanisa kujaguza myaka nkaga kwihishomere ritandika ronchi nebiri 12
omukwa mukaga 2026
ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano bariyo bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo gwija kunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufondorira kahurire
Nkamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze binako kishahemu ito twe tuyo ntuno diplomat akatuka kanuzira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara nabagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende nabagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha intangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose-foam mattresses be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo n'agacencwire ageshwekeki abasiramu omurimbarra Muslim district nibetombuitira barukugabemerumo omu district senkambara duampara nangwa na no murimbarra city ahabo kubasosora baka bimemerumo bahire yo kwetombuitwa ku omushomo gubira ishomere rya madarasa tunuru nyamitanga aho mu rembo orwambara
okwetombuito ku kwiru yabebembezi bedini y'obusiramu omurimbara omushomo gw'abebembezi b'amashomero g'obusiramu ogubira ishomero rya madarasa tunuru nyamitanga aho mu rembo rwa Mbarara aho bagambira habinte biri kuzingamya omutindo gw'amashomero g'obusiramu
who are directly employed in schools by the foundation body ngaye agambanze kazi yandi. You understand? For you are a manager, you're trying to put sanitary in school, and then someone said, for you cannot tell me. I came from the foundation body, so foundation body has authority over me. So you as the chairman, you cannot tell me.
Nuna ninjira ati kumanya tinkabanya mitanga mikureba hajishwaibu na Mr. Wiziri ishumira kataiga kurwenda na munana kunka nati ndichichi ikozereki inshallah jombaho netenda kugakumirwenda na munana inshallah ati nekwira nenga so this means inshallah majombo netenda inshallah wayikai
Shangwa muzire ihaho mwana ishomero ryeye kandi yamutwara hano shangwa mwana yakora ebyedini atabirumu timusiramu timukatoliki timuprotestant timuseventh day so tugeze abana ku baguruminga tubagurumingiro mu dini mwana yakora natinara hanga enseji neba iyo mugashona ngo ntugera ngo for God and my country.
Omushomogu abembezi by'ubwegesa bwa Mbarara Muslim district borekero kwatwaho abokushorora no burubwenguzi obwijiro mu bukiko buru kugabemeromo na munongo muri Mbarara city.
Look at the lists zokushoza Muslims are not there yet they apply. Nyewe ni from office ya education tina every application in management and I know the qualification that they want. Konkano oreba what they are doing ekintu chokuza akeki yihanga mukagirira mwenka mukabureshoni mukabura mu buntu ukakwata ukahemerwa 50 mukaje hamwenka okora kutamu musiramu huniwe buzimazima nobo ine dina mutima
so ntwenda kusaba City Service Commission kubalancing ebintu ebi abantu nabo boneke amasomero gabo gakoreki garukeyo so kibambagambo mu rukiko bari kutekaninga abasomesa n'abandi aba stakeholders b'abasilamu babakira
mwarangirire emirimo abana bitu bashaba ubahereza bana baqualifying awachin chendangu mbanze nkwato omwana kandi mutwaro wananka mworeke nanka yana qualifying ambahereza emirimo icyo nikiza kureta ihanga ritu kutunguka utarubazungu abo kwa tuyazi y'abanyayuganda
omwaka w'2023 akakiiko ak'Mbarara City Service Commission kakabingwa abo kwiha abantu bituga kandi okwihobwe batwire nibakoresa ka district y'Isingiro okusyo batori n'akakiiko akasya omukwaka kabiro k'omwaka ogu obwa hatakara kwemberwa omuramuzo wa humwire Asafu Ruhinda Ntenje ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
webare Aidan Bataringaya orurembo rwa Mbarara noruza kutunga ekicayi ky'enyonyi ekirya ha mutindo gw'ensi yona okushabaza abantu abarukuzo munsi nka China hamwe na America nangwa na America y'amashuma omahanga nka Brazil hamwe na Gand.
Ba investor barukuza kuambeka ekicayi ky'enyonyi muri Mbarara babugana n'enganzi y'ihanga Robina na banje mu office ye Kampala kandi bahamye ko barikuza kutaho ekicayi cy'omutindo gw'ensi yona omubishane bitirwe nibyoreka ngo Mbarara International Airport neza kuba neshana na Dubai Doha nebishahe bindi ebyaharengwa rwahigura munonga.
A big company known as Base 7 to establish a mega international airport at Nyakisharara in Mbarara, and we are here to make sure that this project moves. We have investors who are interested in making Uganda a transit route.
Okujira hari Chief Executive Officer wa B7 Edi Kasitu ekicayi ky'enyonyi eki nikija kuba nikishabaza abantu okuza munsi nka China, Brazil muri America y'amashuma okwenda kutebya obushobozi ebyaharurengo rw'ensi yona.
This project is only a transit route that we're trying to create. We're trying to facilitate a transit route, and on assumption that we had this even 2 weeks ago, then you would have seen tremendous inflows of flights because of what is happening in the United Arab Emirates. And it is also evident that there is no alternative route if this was to carry on.
At and around the government airdrome of Nyakisharara near Mbarara, using Nyakisharara as a nucleus, they intend to build a mega international airport in that area.
Obwahat company ji eriyo neronditaka erukwingana square miles za birnemwe omurinya cyaro mu rurembo rwa Mbarara nuko murimo gutandike.
First request is that we put in place a mechanism in which we engage with the relevant ministries and departments to formulate the formative steps of carrying out the project.
Wameya w'ururembo rwa Mbarara Robert Kachebezi yagamba urukiko rw'abarumu Attorney General Kiryo wa Chuwanka ngo abantu ba Mbarara City nibaza kushemererwa munonga ekicayi cyatandika kuombekwa kandi ngo bakirinzire.
The news from Mbarara right now, for them, they are waiting for me to go and say they are starting next week. The excitement and anxiety about this project is high. And when the president himself was in Boma making campaign on his campaign day, he promised people that he's going to put a mega international airport.
Of local government, Minister of Works is here. And then we get that mega project. To me, we have no loss at all as a country.
Ekicayi kya Mbarara City nikiza kuba ekyakashatu mu ihanga ogwekirikwe gita ahari Entebbe International Airport hamwe na Kabarega International Airport ya Hoima. Gashakwa Thomas tumwebaze.
Webare Thomas tumwebaze. Minister w'ebyamagara Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng yashaba abatendekirwa kurindana no kurwana sendwara okugenda kukora ebibatendekirwa mu byaro ebi abgambire nk'omugenyi mukuru akukingaho omushomo ogu ahabwa Mbarara district hamwe na Mbarara City ogubire aharika mukuzi aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara.
Minister w'ebyamagara Dr. Jane Luce Acheng abirashagatirwe His Excellency William Pope, Ambassador wa United States of America mu Uganda, Diana Twine, Permanent Secretary w'ekitongole ky'ebyamagara n'abakuru ku rwo Ministry y'ebyamagara, kandi ogu asibwire ba Community Health Extension Workers 138 okurwa mu district ya Mbarara hamwe na City arka mu kuzinmwebazyo.
As we commission the choose today, you will receive certificates. And these certificates shows that you have been trained and you have been empowered to begin your movements into the community.
Tushomese bachuzi ilizo bagraduatinga baba bakozi bitu konke kikuru munonga ekyatuma twagira abachuzi n'abantu abakuza kukorera omubyanga bitu kuretera abantu bitu kwika amarwariro.
Okurugera His Excellency William Pope orientumwa ya President wa USA mu Uganda, America neijo kutendeka abashaho bebyaro abarukiko mutoro gumwe n'enkumina okwetorora Uganda yona kandi ngo babahereze n'ebikwato okubasa kurwanisa endwara hanso mu byaro.
And today he has graduated as a community health extension worker.
And it's under our collaboration that the United States will be supporting the training of more than 14,000 community health extension workers across Uganda. This investment will create skilled and equipped workforce capable of preventing disease, of responding to outbreaks, and to protecting Uganda, the United States, and the entire world.
Tuwashaba umkoraganeje na ba VHTs. Ba VHTs tubarigireho bakiriyo no bakikore imirimo yabo nka volunteers konka mugumizemo mukore nabo tubase kureba ngo twacyo buhereza paka aha marware. Ekindi ntubashaba ngo mmanyi ngo mwaheza kushoma tumwachweka ba doctor kandi tumwachweka ba nurse. Imirimo yanyu neye mu community.
And Uganda, under the leadership of the Ministry of Health, has demonstrated a clear commitment to responding to public health outbreaks, including Ebola, measles, and COVID-19.
Choose bahirwe za certificates ebyo kukoresa birimo bugali, first aid kits, emibazi, press jackets, za boots hamwe n'ebindi. Kandi mu district ya Rukungiri choose 210 nabo batendekirwe okurinda no kurwanisa endwara hanso mu byaro.
Treat our people with respect. Treat them with what? Talk to them nicely. They are our mothers and fathers, our relatives. When supervising the supervising
Dr. Muchunguzi akasima orukukure by'amagarabwa district ya Rukungiri nawe nagira ngo Rukungiri ekine kizibu cyo mushwija gwensiri.
Maternal and perinatal deaths. There has been a significant reduction in maternal deaths, but the district registers a number of perinatal deaths attributed to lack of neonatal intensive care units in our facilities, capacity gaps, lack of equipment, and appropriate infrastructure.
Aba bamazira mezi mukaga barukutende ku murumogu nde Evans Taremwa na Dan Basibye.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu twazagaruka tumureho tugaruka n'amakuru agande.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erikyasingirayo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo rwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library ey'omulembe computer z'ekika higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko eby'omulembe hamwe n'omwanya rugogoma gwo kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri nkaga nemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Katoki ino bunuzi bwayo Katoki kerya mutindo Katoki okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaragaruka kugire nakwa hamutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya Katoki mugume munyweco Katoki ino bunuzi bwayo Katoki kerya mutindo Katoki ine chama chayo muhute Katoki yerya mutindo. Katoki alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
noyendebero byanyense birungi ahabwa umwana wawe Kinon High School ero kushangwa haruguto rwambara kabare nico kigarukwa mu cyawe bino bwegeso bumutindo bine ona A level omashomaga arts na sciences enshomesa yabo netebana na curriculum mwensya programs zabo nizitebekanisa beji okwika kurunje buzo no kurengaho bakaba basinguzi ombyamagara agabwa nyuma ye class Kinon High School bine ibiciro ry'ibitabo library ejiro bwenje obwo kubuture byo kucondoza abeji okoshomera habwa bonka laboratory eri kwera abeji okanga hange bisya nebyoga abashomesa batendekirweje kandi behireyo ahabwo businguzi bwa beji
okwandika beji nikugenda omisho Kinon High School neshangwa Rwampara aharuguto nyigendwa orwambarara kabare hihi na Rwampara District Headquarters esimu note mushajoti 2 kinana nemwe chenda nishatu 13.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abalala babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
dabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire echo shua
katinage bampacking it
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugenda misho tera enamba zesimu 0772 9 0
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Ishomero chebembira gandi gona omu 2026 ni St. Karemba Secondary School Villa Maria
nirishomesa abojo n'abishiki kandi bine day na boarding abashomesa batendekireje ebyo kurya n'oburaro bw'abeegi bibonire munonga ishomero ryo mu mwanya gweherire ekiri kubasa abeegi okukora kurungi omu bigezo byabo ishomero eri riine na washing machine ekiri kumanyisa ngu abeegi tibari kuteganisibwa kwozya emyenda abaana nibeegesibwa kutiina ruhanga kandi bakyebembire omu kutwara emidaari y'okushoma orurimi rw'orujamani St Karemba Secondary School nirishangwa Villa Maria omu district ya Karungu kwenda kumanya ebiri kukiraho tera note mushanju note 5 nkaga na 8 nkaga ni 5 kinana na mukaga note mushanju note 4 5 ni 5 kinana na mwenda 24
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omweje rukwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubara n'orujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kubone certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mweje nahawe umugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojiya kumwongera umugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills nabyo bitakwibiri basaries zikiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala Mbarara kandi kuma ibiri kukiraho tera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4
Some things don't arrive. They've always been.
You see, every day that I wake up, I am more than what you see.
Not for a day, for all of time.
We don't merely gaze outward, we birth new worlds.
Until quietly, something shifts.
We are the ones we've been waiting for.
Seeing.
Find your tribe.
Recognizing.
Speak each other's name in praise.
Becoming.
Every time I made a leap of faith, I jumped afraid.
Moving from someday to now. Women are not honored in time, they are woven through it. Shaping every story, every voice, every breath.
The privilege of a lifetime is being who you are.
We are, because she is, and because tomorrow they will be.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mwami, waza kurgaho yejeko. Hona mazima nyowenka banda. Reba musuru gwanje kugurukusha. Agarahanga taro cintatiro musuru gwe bicorogo. Burikiri sachona nchitiremu. Murana kabumwa bazonyo nabo mukasheshe. Konka reba musuru gwa murano rebo gwanje. Nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba.
Hata bicho niyo byo bikuteze nduru no yabantameno mo yabawe bichori. Mukakapere mushanje nakosije musa cha crop champion. Taro muhinjo migandom arukweza atakaose jimusa cha crop champion. Umuhinji wen gosije musa cha crop champion. Abashubuzi mucishanje aha Joseph Farm Supplies aha Kings Plaza omishoga Coopers Complex eduka namba G1 Jimuset ni shango maduka gona omwihanga. Crop Champion, the farmer's best choice.
Best friend wa MTN yo ya dala gamba ti best friend MTN yo ya dala nyo
tutandikide Kampala ne tugenda genda mu gwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba
twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente ezo ziba nyingi nnyo
sasula school fees ng'okozesa momo onyiga star emu mukaga 5 star 80 hash ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van nawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo.
Makobore High
School Rukunjiri ernishomero eryabojo bonka eri bari kushoma bari kurarayo bine ona A-level nibegesa arts na sciences bine computer na science laboratories
ubuzima beji bona nibayikira yiguru administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesibwe mice nibaresibwa kurungi ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey, Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba wo mugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjira municipality aha mushozi g'obureberezi obwa Kigezi Diocese oburukwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 noti ina hatano ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 82 nkaga na mkaga hatano nina makumyana.
kuruka yuko mukahumuro twazo makuru agacencura gicika cite cha muheru abashubuzi abarukoro mukatara ka Kitoro omusere ya Kitoro muri Nyamwamba division omuri Kasese municipality nibetombuitire stongore ecamashanyarazi echa Uganda Electricity Distribution Company Limited UEDCL echanjire kwihe kikondo c'amashanyarazi ekigwerira katare akubarukoramo abebembezi nabo mbagirangwe enshongeji bagishize mu office konka byabe byabusha.
abashubuza bitubasize kugamba nabo nibagira ngo ibintu bwo babwingi barukwera ricarangwesha hayona nibabasa kuhiro mu kataraka aho kikonde cy'amashanyarazi ekimazire myeze bire kigwerira katare konka batari kutunga kwerwa kona ku rugomba amashanyarazi.
Mazima tuyino buzibwa katale tukayirukira mu bintu tukabisiga byonka amashanyarazi gali mukwaka ayango bwanga tera ba amashanyarazi bale makwiji atiyamba boda boda agenda abiyeta baheka hano bagarora bagayunga yunge beraka bagaruka ingole katugaruki hati myezi 2 beke galiyaho omuti nugucuyaka
ekikondo cy'amashanyarazi cyaburucarira kwa mabati au akatale kigasi se shedi yetu so net problem obuzibu bunene twanganahera omwaka kanu kandi tulyo kwiyiya net tukarondesha fizisha abana bethu beitwa amashanyarazi tukikali tunayiralikirire
yatwe tuyitwa obuzibu bunene oba amashanyarazi twamaunzo kwezi kuuma amashanyarazi atulengesiri ari tubaburiramu mutwa halike isha twamaterera cha imani wetu tengo ya Isaya mwasa kashelebya ekyambyo mukatale
abantu bagira ngo cyo kubakora kubi nabo amashanyarazi bari kwije umwanya ogu bakareba ikondeki bakagarukayo batabagambira cyarakorateho
mwana trying yanda ku office akayabasoborera mubasa bamachekinga aha bakanata ser mubayabulerayo
mubwangu tutakabera ku rugayo abataka bona tukisalinga beje barongo ikine kizibu bakimara betu kitali echo tugenda kwisalinga ninga tuyisalingire bana abantu tugenda kubateka mukoti kurubatira ubugabe bw'abantu
ngativu stwikire office z'amashanyarazi mu Kasese konka tubabasize kugamba ni twanshongeji gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi
bare Gilbert Mahanguzi RDC wa district y'Ibanda Godfrey Mbetegerize ari kubuganaho abebembezi b'amagombora nabyo kwirinda babo ayerekero kwatoho ahabwo burubwenguzi bari kwebembeza.
Urukiko rw'ibyo kwirinda rwitabirwemo abakudumira polisi amagombora bagiso ba CDO n'abakuru b'entebe za kashatu mu district y'Ibanda.
For what? If you don't have a salary, you tell him you don't have a salary, and therefore I don't want to work, and you resign.
Mbetegerize nagira ngo polisi okusyaraze mirimo yabo kiretire imhondano yo maka kweyongera obushuma n'ebindi bikorwa byohenda biragiro.
If you need us, for example, we have a certain big challenge at sub-county level. Call us. We are here at your service. We should not be seated here only at the at the head office to deliberate matters of Kihanga, which I don't know.
Ikuriba rwiraga mu stande Mbarara bibe mbuzi ibiri na n'umwana bastade piki bazivuga ihangwe akana k'imbuzi karagara bagumiza mu batwara ziri ibiri baziguza nyamarebe twiza twa polisi yakwata owayibire mbuzi owazivugira yagamba uyaziguza yayireta kanyabyira polisi baba leta CPS abantu barwaye bata na suspect wa connectingire ku bahe urondera baya baba leta CPS embuzi baziguza umukikura ryaho naya.
When you go to my office, it is ever full of people seeking for solutions and answers. When you go to the office of the RDC, ever full. Why? Because people have lost trust in us as leaders. And why have they lost trust in us as leaders? It is because us as leaders, we have failed to find solutions to their problems.
Bimwe habihinguzi bwekorwa okusimura abagwezegire n'obukiko bw'amagomboro kutandika korogwa bwo nabwanyumende mezikafuberwa.
If the Giso is sleeping on job, that should come from the security committee of the sub-county. I should not get a call from someone in Kihanga telling me that the Giso of Kihanga is a problem.
Polisi nayo ihirira mu rukiko yagamba hamaze go kunagijura abano gweyongire ekiretire bayiyongera mutabone yibanda.
We are thinking that the moment we succeed by getting the name of a parent or a guardian from these children, then trust shall come for you, and we charge you clearly failure to do what. That's why this kid left home and is now on the street.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.
Webare Timothy Mushabe twazo makuru agebyemizano timu za ankore z'amashomero ga senior ezrumu St Joseph's Vocational School, Mary Hill School hamwe na Mbarara High School ziri mu kutendekwa kwa mani okwetekatechera empaka eza Jovok Basketball Open ezirukuza kubaho mu weekend eji umuri Nyamitanga amashomero agaru kurenga umuri 20 ngoga kwija kweta mu mpakezi.
Harukubura y'ikiro cyumwe empaka za Jovok Basketball Open kubaho erizoba twahiko mu camp ya za timu zitari zimwe na zimwe ezari mu Mary Hill High School okureba kuzetebekanisiza empakezi abantu bo basingira empaka zabishiki ezo mwako guhwire kandi no mwako go nabahayo kugaruka mu kozinga.
Twetebekanisize je practicinga urugatamu utandika kandi ejemizano ya Jovok Open nitwe ba defending champions kandi twetebekanisa je ba coach bijire bamisingirizo banarumwe.
Timu ezindi Mbarara High School naba batwirene betabo mu mpakezi bitu batakazisingaga nibagira ngo ha murundogo nibenda kore ko mutindo murunji.
Twetebekanisize impaka eza Jovok Open neza mashomero gonka this time around 13th edition kandi za kuba urwa mukaga ebiro mushanju yo kwezoko. Nimureba timu zitu ryo tuzitebekanisa kandi ya Mbarara High School this time ariyo ntwenda kutwara ekikopo cha Jovok Open.
Baba tebekanisa aba St Joseph's Vocational School nabo mukutendekwa kwabo kwabana kugenda kurunji kandi captain wabo Anordamanya nagira ngo buri kimwe nikigenda kurunji harubajo rwabo okuzetegurra.
Timu yetu training kuda the first day training kaza physicals there twaza ball work training byona then timu yetu ni namasiko ngo akira training kamara kandi ready
ogu n'omurundi gw'13 empaka ezirikutebeekanisibwa kandi aha murundi ogu tiimu ezirikurenga 40 z'amashomero ga senior nizo zahamibwe kwija kuzeetabamu. Ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West AGACENCWIRE.
Webare Ram Edwin amakuru AGACENCWIRE aho nto twagahendera kandi wabanaga kusyaho. Ndi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian owo rumi orwo bonero itwe itwendezo kurara kulonje.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100*21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.